ago. Crypto Valley was nothing but a bunch of random people from around the internet united by this common vision of and passion for blockchain technology. And look at us, a few years later having a festival and, a bunch of other really cool ideas.
Yeah, I'm happy to be here to join the online conference. And today I would like to talk about the token economy and the question why and how it will change our lives. And if you thought I would talk about the Bitcoin price, the increasing Bitcoin price from the last days.
Conditions are here for everybody. And that has proven very successful because we believe in a really economically puristic liberal way that the government should not determine or should not think government knows best what is good for the economy.
These countries have a huge problem with the shadow economy. They have a huge problem to collect their taxes.
But at the base level, we're going to talk about problems and opportunities that we have seen around these terms.
Personally, I don't believe so. Because one of the key problems of this buzzword is that people are using the word ecosystem and they don't even know what they're talking about.